Have you ever pondered over why the Titanic, a colossal relic of history, still remains untouched at the bottom of the ocean? A century ago, the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage, a journey that was destined to etch its name in the annals of history. The largest ship of its time, a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition, set sail with over 2,000 souls on board, unaware of the impending tragedy. The Titanic's tale is one of dichotomies, a journey of luxury that ended in disaster, a voyage of hope that culminated in despair. After striking an iceberg in the frigid waters of the North Atlantic, the ship met its ill-fated end, plunging to the ocean floor and taking with it the lives of more than half of its passengers. Today, the Titanic lies over 2 miles beneath the ocean surface, a grim reminder of human fallibility. The Titanic is not just a ship, but a time capsule. But why have we not yet extracted it? Extracting the Titanic is a task easier said than done, shrouded in a multitude of challenges. The first hurdle is the sheer depth at which the Titanic rests. The ship lies over 2 miles beneath the surface of the North Atlantic, a depth that is both daunting and hazardous for human exploration. This depth puts the wreck under immense pressure, about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Any extraction mission would need to withstand this pressure, a feat that requires advanced technology and meticulous planning. The second challenge lies in the fragility of the Titanic itself. Over a century submerged in salt water has left the ship in a delicate state. The iron and steel structure has been continuously corroded by the salty ocean water, leaving the once mighty ship frail and brittle. Any attempt to move the Titanic could result in further structural damage or even a total collapse, turning the iconic ship into an unrecognizable pile of debris. Moving on to the third challenge, we have the Titanic's massive size. The ship was one of the largest of its time, measuring about 882 feet in length and weighing over 52,000 tons. To put that into perspective, that's about the length of 3 football fields and the weight of roughly 7,000 elephants. Extracting such a colossal structure from the ocean floor is no small feat. Lastly, there are the ecological implications of an extraction attempt. The Titanic has become an artificial reef, providing a habitat for various marine species. Disturbing the wreck could disrupt this ecosystem, potentially causing harm to the marine life that has come to call the Titanic home. As we can see, the extraction of the Titanic is a complex and risky endeavor, fraught with many challenges. From the technical difficulties to potential environmental impacts, the Titanic's extraction presents a monumental task that is not to be taken lightly. Beyond the technical aspects, the idea of extracting the Titanic presents us with a profound ethical dilemma. We have to ponder, is it right to disturb a place that serves as the final resting spot for more than 1,500 souls who lost their lives in one of history's most tragic maritime disasters? There's a palpable tension between the desire to explore and understand our past, and the need to respect and honor those who perished in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. The Titanic is not just a shipwreck, it's a snapshot of history frozen in time, a solemn testament to human ambition and error. Moreover, there's the looming specter of commercial exploitation. If the Titanic were to be raised, would it be preserved as a historical artifact or commoditized for profit? The potential for the ship's legacy to be tarnished by greed adds another layer to the ethical quandary. The question then arises, should we disturb this underwater memorial for the sake of exploration and curiosity? What then does the future hold for the Titanic? As it lies more than 2 miles beneath the surface, the Titanic continues to succumb to the relentless march of time. Iron-eating bacteria, strong currents, and the corrosive effects of salt water all play a role in the ongoing decay of this once majestic vessel. Yet, with every passing year, our technological prowess advances, enabling us to explore and study the wreck in ways we've never imagined. From remotely operated vehicles to cutting-edge imaging techniques, technology offers us a window into the past, allowing us to visit and learn from the Titanic without physically disturbing its resting place. This respectful approach ensures that the Titanic remains a resource for scientific discovery and historical contemplation. The Titanic may continue to rest on the ocean floor, but its story, lessons and mysteries continue to captivate us, making it an enduring symbol of human history.